They were still at $1,500 down and $950 a month.
$950 a month.
Yeah.
That's literally double the payment.
I think having two people involved would lead to a better financial decision. But sometimes it just doubles the confidence and halves the loss.
So they're both zero scores. Literally neither of them have any credit. But $10K down, every bank is willing to do it.
For a first-time buyer, still a terrible rate. But so is buying a car with your brother. So I guess we're just doubling down. And somehow this...
Okay, so they're cool with the payment, but there's another problem. They just got an insurance quote and it's double the
Good
payment.
idea. Until the insurance shows up. And it's almost double what the car costs every month. So we've got two people involved.
When I came up there to look at the furniture, they said my credit is good. They said my credit, I ain't have enough credit at the time.
Bring in the girlfriend, see if that changes things. Because if you can't qualify for it, maybe the relationship can.
From what I'm hearing, everything sounds pretty good. They most likely just needed the cosigner in order to just show...
And that's where things get expensive in a different way. Because if something goes
Credit
wrong,
actually took a hit because of the shutdown.
bad credit upside down on his current vehicle. And the solution is to jump into another car. So now you're not fixing